Hi guys, this is Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 5, Lesson 7. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to name and count shapes as parts of a whole, recognizing relative sizes of the parts. So looking at this, it says draw one line in each shape to make equal parts. So we know that equal means to share fairly. Okay, so that means each side needs to have a fair amount. So that means that if I were to do it like this, well, this isn't very fair to this. It's not the same amount. So there's quite a few ways that you can do a square, but you can do diagonal like this way, diagonal like this way, whoopsies. Or you can go down the middle, or you can go across. Either way. Now this shape right here, I can go across because I can see there's these two equal parts that are the same, or I can go up and down. I can see this is the same as this. Now the star, if I do it like this, these are two equal sides. If I do it like this is two equal sides. If I do it like this is two equal sides. So no matter how, it doesn't matter how you cut it as long as it is equal parts, as long as it's fair. So that is it for this video.